Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. And today's topic is loan against securities. Remember, last 4 days we are covering all the important topics in retail banking. One was mutual funds, then we covered insurance. Today we are covering last loan against shares. We call it loan against securities. Okay. So all the important topics, remember, follow this series completely and watch this video till the end. Okay. Firstly, I would suggest download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alert, daily quizzes. Plus, you will be getting all the question banks, no ebooks, live classes. That's very important. So, why do we go here and there? Just join this, download it, and join the classes, isn't it? Yeah. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. Remember, always remember one thing in life: whatever is available free, grab it first. On Officers Adda 24/7, you'll get the free YouTube sessions on all the subjects of JAIIB and CIB. So that's why grab it ASAP. Okay. This is a new batch just now started. Okay, for JAIIB, PPB, IFS, AFM and RBWM. Remember, the subjects have changed. Okay, still the Republic Day offer is going on. Grab it ASAP, 80% off. Use the code Y432. More on this, I'll tell you how to use it on later. Okay, so topic is loan against securities. Some call it loan against shares. Okay, some call it loan against any other. Basically, it's securities. What are shares? What do you mean by shares? Here, every person will have property. In which types? Okay, you have, suppose if you have money, what will you try to do? You will first invest it in gold. Okay, means there are various ways. Land, you can invest it. Second, you can invest it in gold, right? Third, you can invest it in shares. Now here various names come. Shares, then you can invest it in debentures. Debentures, here, what are debentures? These are bonds. Okay, debentures you can invest. Third, you can invest in mutual funds. This is the main one, isn't it? Mutual funds. Then you can invest in insurance, right? So today's topic over here is on these four parts. Okay, shares, debentures. See here, let it be anything. It's one and the same. Only loan against insurance is separate. That will cover separately because loan against insurance is an old product and this is a new product now. Okay. So loan against shares, loan against debentures, loan against mutual funds. So this is called as LAS. Loan against securities is a loan where you pledge your shares, mutual funds or life insurance policies. Here, even some banks consider this as life insurance policies. But what has happened? Life insurance policies product is there since 1980s. LAS has come recently after 2000, 2004 almost. Yeah. Okay, so insurance policies as collateral to the bank against your loan amounts. Here, many banks give the loans on mutual funds, on debentures also they give you, so that is also allowed. Okay, so loan against securities, Insta loan against shares and Insta mutual funds. Here, Insta means what? Faster loans. Now all the banks are having this Insta loans now. Everyone is giving you faster loans, loan against securities. Very simple loan. Just see here, how does it work? Take it very simple. Say this. Okay, before that, let me go to the eligibility criteria. Who can avail? Can an NRI come and get this loan? No. The important part over here is KYC compliant the person should be. Second is individual demat account should be there. Minimum age of the applicant should be 18 years. Approved scripts by ICICI Bank means any bank. For that matter, any bank. Okay. Approved scripts by any bank, whatever, whichever bank you are going on. See here, what does it mean? Approved scripts means what? All the banks have different risk criteria. Means what? Some bank is ready to take a higher risk, some bank is ready to take a lower risk. So some bank might not give loans for some XYZ share, while some bank might give loan for some XYZ share. For example, presently what is going on, all the problems are going on for various, I'll just give you 2-3 names. The Adani issue is going on everywhere, isn't it? All that shares are getting down. So some bank might not be giving the loans, but some bank might be there which will say, okay, We are ready to give the loan because we don't see any risk in that. So that's why we need approved scripts. This was just an example. It can be for any bank, okay? Approved scripts by that XYZ bank. And last one is CIBIL score, very important. Without CIBIL score, now you can't get any loan in any bank, almost, except that agri loans. Forget agri loans, that's a separate sector. But without CIBIL score, you can't get any commercial loans, okay? So minimum age should be 18 years. Always remember, why minimum age is 18 years? Remember, a minor below 18 years can't be held liable for any contract. So that's why minimum age should be 18 years. Why individual demat account is required? Suppose if I tell you that, okay, I am having my demat account, okay, and you can get a loan on that, on the shares in that demat account. That is not allowed. I can get a loan on shares only if I am having my own demat account, okay. I can get a loan on shares in my name only, where the shares are in my name, okay, not on the shares of some other person, okay. That's why individual demat account is very much important. Now, why is it said individual? Can I give loan against shares for companies? Suppose if I am a company and I want loan against shares, yeah, that is allowed. That is called as pledging, okay, but that's separate part. Generally, here, individuals, these loan against securities, at least in the retail banking sector. Here, we are in what? We are in retail banking. So in retail banking, this loan is only given to individuals. In corporate banking, there can be a separate criteria, but we are not concerned about it, okay. KYC compliant. Without KYC, what is KYC? Type fast in the comment section, everyone. What is KYC? KYC. Who can tell me? Correct? Know your customer. Along with this, what comes? There's one more word which comes. Who can type that? Which word comes along with KYC? That's called as AML. AML, anti-money laundering. Now these two are very important criteria nowadays, isn't it? KYC and AML. Okay. So that's why these two should be, every customer should be compliant with this KYC and the AML issues. Okay. Got it? Now how does this loan against securities work? Okay. It's offered as an overdraft facility in your account after you have deposited your securities. Means what? See here, process is very simple. What will I do? I am having, let's say, my shares, okay. Let's say I am having some shares of mine. So what will I do? I'll just show you over here. Hold on. Just give me 1 minute here. Yeah. So what will I do? If I am having, see here, there are two accounts over here. One is demat, and second is savings account, SB. Okay. So what will I do? I am having shares in this demat account. Okay. Let's say Reliance. Then I am having Adani shares. Then I am having Tata shares. Okay. Tata company, all Tata Motors, any Bajaj Finance, any shares I am having. So what will I do? I'll take these shares and let's go to, let me tell you, SBI. Okay. SBI, or not only one nationalized bank, one private bank, okay, SBI and HDFC. Let's go to any of these banks. What will I do? I'll give these shares as a pledge. Say this, pledge, okay, pledge to this bank, pledge, okay. Once I give this as a pledge, means what? It's a security, it's a low security, okay, security, okay. So once I give this as a pledge, as a security to SBI or whichever bank it is, okay. Let's say if the value of all these shares is rupees 100, okay. So in that case, what does SBI and HDFC do? They'll take these shares as a pledge with them and give me around 50 to 60%. 50 to 60%. Generally, it is 50% only, but sometimes due to some good company, the bank may give you 60% also, but beyond 60% not possible. So if I am having the shares of rupees 100, this bank will give me a loan of rupees 50. Take it 50% only, okay. So it will give me a loan of 50 or 60 rupees, okay, depending on the number of shares and the quality of shares which I am having, okay. So this is the way this loan against securities work. Keep it very simple. Like see here, it's very simple. Suppose if I am having my house, I am going for a loan against my home or property. What will I do? I'll just give that house to this bank as a mortgage, and this bank will give me the loan. Same logic. There's no difference over here. Suppose if I'm having loan, if I want to take loan against some what this this hypothecation. Okay, so what will I do? I'll just hypothecate the loan, the goods to this bank, or some car to this bank, and get a loan of against this. Same logic, no difference as such. Okay, so got it, everyone? Say this. Overdraft facility, remember, it's an overdraft facility. Overdraft means what? In this facility, it's like the CC. The more amount which I take out from the account, I'll be charged for only that part. See this example. For example, you are offered a loan against shares of, let's say, 2 lakhs. Okay. Let's say you draw only 50,000 and deposit the amount back in your account in 1 month. In this case, you are liable to pay the interest only for 1 month of rupees 50,000. Right? Even though you have been sanctioned a limit of 2 lakhs, but the amount if you draw, which you draw is only 50,000, then you will be charged only for 50,000, and that also only for that period for which you have drawn. Got it? Simple. Everyone got the concept? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood it. Everyone, if you have understood, type yes. Let's move on. Okay, everyone, like the video right now. Okay, also click on the bell icon. Okay, now let me come to you about this batch. Okay, PPB, IFS, AFM, and retail banking and wealth management. All the 4 topics are covered in the batch. Started just now, January 23rd, not far off. Okay, so join it ASAP. Also, 80% off scheme is going on. See here, we are covering all the numericals, objective questions, theory questions, whatever is required for the JAIIB and CIB. Okay, mainly JAIIB this topic. Importantly, remember, many students have passed through Adda 24/7, so that's why you can be damn sure about the credibility of the teachers. Okay. Use the code Y432 to get the 80% off. If you are having the app, you will be getting 1% extra. Now let's come to the question time. I'll show you how to use this code and get 80% discount. But before that, let's come to the questions. Interest is charged only on the dash and only for the utilized period. So interest is, give me the answers now. A is full amount, B is amount utilized, C is sanction limit, and D is none of the above. So what is the answer? Interest is charged only on the dash, full amount, amount utilized, sanction limit, and none of the above. What is the answer? Everyone, fast. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, and tick tick 5. Correct. Only on the amount utilized. Just now I told you, right? Suppose this is the 1 lakh limit is sanctioned to me, 1 lakh, okay, and I take out only 30,000, and that also for only 20 days. Then I'll be charged the interest on 30,000 only, and that also for only 20 days. I won't be charged for the remaining period. I won't be charged for the remaining duration. Okay, this is the way OD works. See here, there are 2 types of loans always. Okay, one is term loan, and second is OD. I'll call it OD. Some banks call it CC also. CC is a part of OD. Okay, in term loan your EMI is fixed. EMI. Okay, EMI is fixed. But in ODCC you use only the amount what is required, and you pay only on the amount drawn. Okay, there is no EMI in ODCC. Only the amount utilized, I'll pay for that only. Remember this difference. Term loan, these are the 2 basic products of any bank. Let me give you one more example. Home loan. What is home loan? Home loan is a term loan. Home. Okay. Machine loan. What is machine loan? Machine loan is again a term loan, right? Machine. Now CC. What is CC? CC is an OD product. Loan against securities. LAS. What is LAS? Loan against security is the OD product. Always remember this. Okay. LAS is the OD product. Then LAP, loan against property. LAP is also many a times in OD. It can be given in both the types. Okay, loan against property can be given in OD also as a term loan also. Anywhere it's given. So got it everyone? Concept of term loan and OD. Okay. Now tell me, who can answer me? What is gold loan? Gold loan is term loan or OD? Who can answer me? Gold loan. Give me fast. Term loan or OD? Gold loan. Who can give me? Gold loan. Is it an OD or term loan? Everyone. Fast. Correct. It's an OD. You are charged only for that amount which you have utilized. Okay. Gold loan is an OD. Yeah. Loan can be repaid on. When can I repay this loan? Anytime, only after 2 years, only on maturity, all of the above. Means, so what can be the answer? A, B, C and D. What can be the answer over here? Can be repaid anytime or only after 2 years? What is the criteria? Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4 and tick tick 5. It can be repaid anytime. Loan can be repaid anytime. This loan means loan against shares. LAS I am talking of. LAS can be repaid anytime. Got it? And there is no compulsion that you have to keep this loan for 2 years or on maturity or nothing like that. If I take the loan today, draw the amount, and if I get the money tomorrow, I can repay it completely. On what will I be charged? Suppose, let's say, I'll ask you another question now. Suppose if I take 1 lakh from this LAS at today, I take it for today, okay, and I repay it after 2 days or tomorrow, let's say I repay it tomorrow. So how many days will I be charged the rate of interest? For complete month or only 1 day? Only 1 day or complete month? Who says? Will I be charged for complete month or will I be charged for 1 day only? Yes, who's this? Yeah, it is 1 day only, correct? So that's why loan can be repaid anytime. Up to the time I keep the loan, I'll be charged only for that period. Loan is given for maximum dash percentage of the value of the securities. So what percentage? Just now I told you 50 to 60, 90%, 100% depending on the bank. So what is the option for this? A, B, C and D. What is the option now? Is it A or B? Who has followed this lecture completely? Yeah? It is A or B. Fast. Is it 100%? Do I give the loan against shares as 100%? Yeah? Do I give it? Or is it depending on the bank? Any bank wants to give 100%, they'll give 100. Somebody wants to give 200%, they'll give 200. Is it so? No. The point over here is 50 to 60% only. Not beyond that. Okay? Loan is given for maximum dash amount for demat shares. So maximum loan amount in loan against shares is what? 50 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs and none of the above. So what is the answer? Loan is given for maximum dash amount for this demat shares. Why is it said demat shares? What is demat shares? Demat shares means, firstly understand what is demat. Okay? Demat account, I have taken a separate lecture. Kindly follow that lecture. It's the account for shares which I am holding. Means if I am having Reliance shares, if I am having some Tata shares, where will I keep it? Okay? Like I keep my money here, it's like this. Shares and money. Okay? Money. Where do I keep my money? Money I keep it in savings account, right? SB account. Shares will I keep? Can I keep the shares in savings account? No. For that I am having separate account that's called as demat account. Okay? This is very important part. Okay? So demat is for shares and savings and current is for money basically. So loan is whenever I am having the shares in demat account, what is the maximum amount of loan this bank can give me? Okay? 20 lakhs. So loan and up to 20 lakhs is considered under priority sector. Okay. So what is this other? If the shares are other than demat, physical shares if I am having, then the loan can be given max is 10 lakhs. But now I don't think so anyone is having physical shares. Okay, everyone is having demat shares only, because demat has started more than 16 years now. 15 years have at least passed. Okay, yeah. Disbursement for this loan will be by way of. So how will I disburse this loan? Will I disburse it as a, let me give you the options. A credit limit set in your current account or OD account, similar to term loan, to third party, or will I give you in cash? Will I give this amount in cash? Do you think? Loan, you give me the shares of for demat. Okay, the demat shares are, let's say, 10 lakhs. So now the loan amount becomes 5 lakhs. So will I tomorrow give you, take this 5 lakh cash and go home? Will I give you like this? Nowadays, none of the loans are given in cash. All the loans are, cash loans are out almost. Okay. So, credit limit set in your ODCC account, then similar to term loan or to a third party. Do I give it to a third party? Means you give me the demat shares and I give the loan to someone else. Do I do that? No, bank can't do that also. Right? Similar to term loan. How can it be disbursed as a term loan? Because what is this ODC? This LAS loan is, LAS is basically CC. So the correct option is A credit limit set in your current account or OD account, right? Now this was about LAS. Now the important part over here is, in this batch which I told you 80% off is going on, and use the code Y432. How to use it? Let me show you that also. Okay. Go to Adda 24/7 live. Okay, let me show you. Let's go to Adda 24/7. See here, now we are on Adda 24/7. Click on JAIIB and CIB. You'll see this JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack, CIB 23, JAIIB 23. Click on JAIIB 23. Once you click on JAIIB 23, you'll see the batches over here. Click on the first batch, January 23rd batch. Okay, just now started. Okay, click on this batch. Now you'll get the details over here for the batch. What are the details? Means what are the timings, what are the dates, what is the study plan, what all you'll get over here. See here, what all will you get? You get almost, see this, live interactive classes for PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking and wealth management. Ebooks are available, tests are available. Okay, then importantly, recorded videos are available 24/7. So if you can't attend any class due to some problem, you can definitely come back to that class. Okay, because it's a recorded videos are available. Also two-way interactive classes, so that you can definitely ask the question there and then itself. You get ebooks, you get tests, so whatever, everything you are getting, man. What is this? Okay, so what is the fees? 999. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432, Y432. Click on apply. Now look at this. See this. 19,999 reduces to 3,999. Means you are getting 80% off. Such a huge discount you are getting, and this offer won't last long. Remember this. This offer won't last long. Validity is 6 months. Now I'll tell you something important. Instead of going in for one single batch, okay, single batch at 3,999, I would suggest go for Mahapack. What is this Mahapack? Let me go to Mahapack. Okay, see this. Once you go to Adda 24/7 live, again home page. Okay, on the home page, click on JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack. See this. In JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack, look at this. You are having 3 Mahapacks. JAIIB Mahapack, JAIIB CIB Mahapack and CIB. So now you are in JAIIB. So click on JAIIB CIB Mahapack. This is important for you. Why? Because right now the offer is going on. Remember, under this offer, what are you getting? You are getting, see here, you can get the details over here again. Under this, the important part which you are getting is, you are getting 15 plus batches for JAIIB, all the 4 subjects. Also 15 plus batches for CIB, ABFM, ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL. Also 500 plus case study detailed these batches. Okay. Then recorded videos are obviously available. But I'll tell you why am I focusing on this JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Because look at this. If you click on view offers, okay, 53,996 fees, you'll say, sir, huge fees. No, just wait. Okay, put the code Y432. Y432. Now look at this. Whatever is you are seeing over here. See this. 53,996 reduces to 10,799. 80% off is going on. And what? Look at the validity. Validity is 24 months. So imagine if you are able to clear this JIB in 6 months only, because once you join the classes and you study hard, definitely disciplined study is very much important. Okay, only joining the classes is not important in your life. Disciplined study is very important. So if you do a disciplined study, you can definitely clear it in this May itself, and in the remaining 18 months here, 6 months for the JIB and remaining 18 months you can use the same pack for CIB. Okay, so that's why I again suggest go for the classes and do a disciplined study. Okay, that is very important. Now why am I stressing on these batches? Because look at this, the important part over here is the portion of JIB has changed. Okay, what is the portion of JIB here? Now you have 4 compulsory subjects. Okay, earlier you had only 3, now we have 4, right? That IFS, then what, retail banking and wealth management, PPB and accounts. So 4 compulsory. Also negative marking has been removed to you now, so that's why that's a good sign for you. But remember, 4 compulsory is not a simple task, so that's why again I'll again tell you, click on the bell icon, everyone like the video, everyone like it fast. Okay, chalo, I'll take the leave. Tomorrow I'll be back with another